Today, day two, we finished up with simple present tense because people have difficult in forming sentences, especially the chapter called tenses. The main reason is that they get quite confused. Tense is nothing but it's a time and work. We have to relate the time and the work. So as you all know, there are three types of tenses, the major ones. One is present, past tense, and the future tense. So we are going to cover up only the basic things which is helpful for our daily life. You'll be wondering lots of YouTube channels will be teaching you in depth of tenses, whereas in my channel I'm not going to do all these kind of things. My main motto is to create people to speak. Here, n number of people find it difficult to talk. There is no any kind of false accent which you're getting into the picture. My main motto is to make people to speak clearly and imprecise. And moreover, for the person who already speak English, my next aim is for them to speak powerfully and quickly. Not like, I'm not going to do it like other channels, like getting into a false kind of, even the pronunciation is so weird. It's so difficult for the learners, the beginners to understand that sometimes. Do we speak in that way? It's a very first question. I teach in a very simple manner where it's easy to understand and easy to speak. So we are in India. Probably we need to have a very decent communication, which is where we can speak powerfully and quickly. That's all about. So today in my video, I have taught my student about simple present tense. So how it is being used, and first of all, what is the meaning of simple present tense? Before you have a look at my video, let me give a glimpse of my video, what I did about my class. So simple present tense, nothing but about your daily routine activities or some kind of a habits or customs, or about a universal truth. For example, my habit, I eat a lot when I get angry, or I drink lots of water when I'm totally stressed. Or for example, my mother cooks well. She speaks very well. So here we use verb in first form, V1, like come, eat, go, study. And we also use a verb V5, like comes, goes, eats, studies. So to whom do we use V1 and to whom do we use V5? So once you understand the concept of what is simple present tense, later you should know how to fix the verbs. When the subject is first person, I mean to say when it is I, and when the subject is more than one, like we, they, I mean, even you comes under the category of plurals because you is always considered as plurals. When the subject is I, we, you, they, there we need to use verb in the first form. And when the subject is singular, like he, she, it, or any singular names like um, Sarita, or you can say Anu, or you can say my friend. When the subject is singular, the verb is going to be in plurals like comes, eats, goes, sleeps. Isn't it easy? Just understand the concept. That is how I have taught my students too. The next one, to make questions, we need to use do or does. Your do we use for when the subject is I, first person, and as I told you, the subject is plurals. We, you, they. We use do or don't. And when the subject is singular, like he, she, it, Anu, Sarita, Usha, or you can say my friend. When the subject is singular, the question which we want to use is does. For example, does Sarita drink coffee? Does, does Usha come to your house? Does Anu speak English? This is how the questions are. You already know what the answer is. Right? Depending upon the subject, here it's subject with agreement. The verb goes with the subject. When the subject is first person and the subject is more, we have to use verb with the first form. When the subject is singular, we have to use verb in plurals. It's very well described in my video. You can please go through it I would request, if you have any doubts or if you need any more clarifications, you can comment in my below the video so that I can teach you much better. So your comment or your interactive session would help me a lot to do much better, and I'll be digging out in which way I can make it more simple. English is very easy. So today I just finished up with simple present tense. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Probably tomorrow it could be about present continuous and present perfect tense. See you soon tomorrow. Bye. Well, so today we are going to discuss about the simple chapter called tense. Nothing but present tense. So what do you mean by present tense? As simple as that. आपको क्या लगता है present tense क्या होता है?
Ma'am, today, now.
Yeah, present means abhi. What is the meaning of tense? Tense nothing but time. Tense का meaning है काल, time. Time.
Yes.
समय.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And here, when you say tense, it talks about time and work. Kam or kal.
Yes. Yes.
Kam or kal. So this is a very important chapter because people always do mistakes in English because of this. Ma'am, tense, बहुत tension है हमारी. Tense का नाम मत लीजिए, हमें tension हो जाएगी. People keep saying that. So when you say tense, tense very simple. एक तरफ time होगा, दूसरी तरफ work होगा. That's it. So here in tense we have three types. Present tense, abhi jo kuch kara hai. Past tense and future tense. I hope to write in the notes, right? Tense are three types. Present, past, future. It's very simple. Along with that, इसमें एक काम होगा. जो काम अभी कर रहे हैं उसे होगा present tense. जो काम कर चुके हैं उसे होगा past tense. And जो काम करने वाले हैं वो होगा future tense. Simple. So today I am going to go to the category of simple present tense. Can I share the notes? Can you go through the notes?
Yes.
Notes share karo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now please take your books and be ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I want to make you, you can share the notes afterwards too with our Shishma, whatever it is. So I'm going to tell you very simple.
Yes.
I'm going to go with the simple present tense, which is all where you all are getting confused. Okay. Yeah, share the screen to you all. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I will help you again.
Okay, ma'am.
Like present, past, future. Yeah. I'm just using am, is, are, was, were, and will be. This comes in the category of simple present tense. These are called helping verbs. Am, is, are is present tense helping verb. Past tense is was and were. Future tense is will be. So आप पूछेंगे मैम इसका क्या जरूरत है? Am, was, were, will be. What is the importance of this? Now I say I in the class. If I say example, I say in the class. Any meaning?
No, ma'am. I am in the class.
Why should I use am?
I am.
What is the function of
I am? Yes.
And जरूरत क्या है? वो बोलिए.
It is a helping verb, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now if I keep like this, what is the meaning of this? अगर मैं यहाँ was डालूं तो क्या होगा? If I put was here,
it become past.
It becomes the work is finished.
Yeah.
If I say
yes. I was in class.
Future.
That is in future.
Yes.
This is
so this is indicating.
मैं class में हूँ.
Yeah. Am, is, are, was, were, will be. It's only a acting verb, not a real verb. ये सब कुछ verb नहीं है, सिर्फ एक बोल रहा है कि अभी है, था and होगा. Am, is, are, was, were, will be is called as an auxiliary verb. नहीं तो the simple layman language is called as helping verbs. ये समझ गए ना?
Yes.
Sujay, did you understand?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understand.
But I would like to go with the main chapter, main present tense. How do we use it? So when I do simple present tense, what is the use of this? Where is that? Chalo. What is the function of simple present tense? Here. This is the main thing you all are coming up to. Under present tense, we have simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect tense.
Continue.
Yeah, we will teach you this, okay? The next
Yes,
one, coming back to past tense, you will be learning simple past tense, past continuous, and past perfect. Then we come for future, simple future, future continuous. This is all you need in tense. Don't ask present, past, perfect, continuous, वो नहीं होता है. Future perfect, वो नहीं होता है. If you learn this itself, it's enough. Please don't by heart. Understand the concept. सिर्फ समझ लीजिए, आ जाएगा English.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to teach simple one.
Okay.
So I'm going to go the first one. What do you mean by a simple present tense? क्या होता है? You tell me. What is the meaning of simple present tense?
Ma'am,
What do you
simple present tense means it is used daily activities like have means जो हमारी हैबिट होती है जैसे हम डेली उठ रहे हैं डेली वॉक कर रहे हैं
Every
एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं
your routine activity about
routine
you,
activities. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
about you or
Okay.
about Usha,
Yes,
about
ma'am.
third.
Then we use the simple present.
Yes. And here you have to use the verb. We means verb. Okay. हमें
Yes,
अपने
ma'am.
यहाँ verb को come comes, go goes, eat eats, sleep
Yes,
sleeps. This is what you're going to use. V1 and verb in plurals. That's all. पहले समझ लिए what do you mean by simple present tense? Simple present tense daily activities, your habits, or it could be your customs or general truths, universal truths, like the
Yes.
sun rises in the east.
rise in the east. Water boiling at 100 degrees Celsius.
Yes, nobody can change this,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Neither Usha nor I nor
Okay,
Anu,
ma'am.
कोई change नहीं कर पाएंगे, right? So when you say simple present tense, it's nothing about your daily routine activities, नहीं तो habits or customs. Otherwise, you can talk about your general truths. Simple. Let me go with an example. Okay. I hope you're taking notes. So I take it as some verbs here. V1. V1 is nothing but verb in the first form.
First form.
So हमें
First form.
V1 किसको
I,
use
we,
करना है?
they.
Not I, we, you, they. I mean first person, and when the subject is plural. जब आपको subject एक से ज़्यादा है, we have to use V1. V1 क्या होता है? Like this. Come, eat, go, sleep, take, give, keep, breathe, like that. And we use when the subject is singular, right? We use verb in plurals. Example, comes. Yes, डाल दी मैंने. Go, go. यहाँ GOES. V1 plus yes, नहीं तो ES, no IS. Eats, sleeps, takes, gives. Yeah, देखा भाई? I put yes, ES, everything. Are you clear? In simple present tense, you are going to use verb in V1 or V5. V1 we use if the subject is I, we, you, they. V5 we use he, she, it. समझ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we go with some examples? Usha, are you able to understand me? Are you able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
understand me? Yeah. So here I use
Yes,
come. I come late. This is every day. Every day I come late. It's my habit. I come late. Then I say, okay, I'll make it as okay, Anu comes late. Anu comes late. यहाँ मैंने comes लगा दी. The meaning is same. मैं late
No.
आती हूँ, Anu late आती है. But
Comes play.
I put here comes because subject is singular.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here I put Anu and Usha. I put
Then we use
Why,
come.
ma'am? Anu, S. Ma'am, S क्यों लगाया? Anu comes
क्योंकि
late.
singular है ना. When
Singular.
the subject is singular, the verb has to be in plural, in present tense में. पहले आपको समझना है कि present tense क्या होता है. What do you mean by present tense? I repeat again. When the subject is singular, जब आपका subject singular है, I को छोड़ दीजिए. I is the first person. When I say Usha, Usha eats well. Usha eats well.
Okay.
So I'm talking about Usha. Now I'm talking about Anu and Usha. Anu and Usha eat well, not eats well.
Yes, ma'am.
When the subject is singular, that's
Okay.
what ek hota hai, so I have to use V5.
Okay.
The subject is more than one, I have to use V1. See, for example, Anu sings beautifully. Anu sings beautifully. Usha and Anu sing
Sing.
beautifully.
Anu, sing.
Because subject is more
Okay,
than
ma'am.
one.
Plural.
When the subject is more than one, the verb should be in singular. When the
Singular.
subject is singular, ek hota hai, the verb should be in plural. This is logic. Aur kuch nahi hai. Nothing to worry. Very simple logic. So you say now, my husband likes coffee. मुझे नहीं पता आपका husband का क्या नाम क्या है. I don't know that. I don't need it. My husband likes coffee. Now Anu says, ma'am, my husband and my children. अभी एक से ज्यादा हो गया.
Like.
Yeah, you said my husband
Yes.
likes, but Anu will tell my husband and my children. Means
Like
the
coffee.
subject is more than one. My husband and my children like coffee.
Like.
Are you able to understand me? Right? Now the example.
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
May I know your son's name, Usha?
Yes.
What's your
Okay,
son's
ma'am.
name?
Gaurav.
Huh? Gaurav. Okay. Gaurav dances well. आपका सब्जेक्ट एक है. Gaurav dances well. What's the meaning in Hindi? Gaurav अच्छे नाचते हैं. Okay.
हाँ.
Now Anu क्या कहती है? Sejal and Saksham dance well. Because
Yes.
in Anu's
Okay.
case, there are two more than one person. In your case, only one person. You say now, Gaurav dances well, whereas she says no, Saksham and Sejal dance well.
Sejal
Simple, समझ गए?
dance well. Okay,
Have
ma'am.
you understood?
Got it.
You got it? Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Very sure.
But ma'am, I have one question.
I have one question. No, I have one question.
Okay, ma'am. I have a question.
हाँ.
मैम कई बार मैंने ये देखा है कि जैसे हम जब डेली रूटीन का कुछ करते हैं मैम, तो उसमें जैसे हम ऑल ऑफ लगाते हैं या फिर जैसे कुछ सेंटेंस होते हैं जिसमें हम प्लूरल लगा रहे हैं आगे, लेकिन उसमें जो वर्ब है वो एस या ईएस हम नहीं यूज कर पा रहे हैं.
General truth.
आई थिंक मैम वो वर्ब एग्रीमेंट शायद वो सब है ऐसा.
Subject work agreement. Yeah, because if you go so deeply, आप जल्दी बोल नहीं पाएंगे. It's all sub school knowledge.
बट नो मैम, पर मैम मैंने देखा है कि जैसे हम मैसेज लिखते हैं तो उसमें वो हमें भी आना चाहिए कि जैसे
Give me an example. See, for example, you say, Usha wears specs every day. Usha रोज specs पहनती है. Usha wears. I say now,
पहनती है.
Anu and Usha wears specs. दो हो गया है. तो subject agreement. जैसे subject है उतना ऐसे ही verb होगा.
यस मैम.
Verb, the usage of verb depends upon the subject. If you use one subject, third person, the verb will be in V5. If the subject is more than one person, the verb is in V1. यही logic है. This is a verb agreement. You got me?
यस
Any
मैम.
doubts?
नो मैम.
Any doubts? The next one what we have is we use to ask question पूछने के लिए we use do and does. Do and does. Do का negative form है do not. Does is does not. Now
Yes.
the question is, to whom should we use do? Do we use for I, we, you, they? Does we use for he, she, it?
Singular. Yes ma'am. Does we use in singular?
Singular subject. For
Yes
example,
ma'am.
now for you want to, I ask you, your husband like coffee? ये मेरा English है. This is my English. Your husband like coffee. So how you put question?
Does he like coffee? Does he likes coffee?
Does
या
he?
फिर
हाँ.
does your husband like
no
Likes.
does, no likes.
likes
Supposed to
coffee?
use, you're not supposed to use likes. You're going to use this
Yes,
again. ये देखिए. Here we go. Do, don't. We use for I, we, you, they. Does, doesn't. We use for he, she, it. So here ask, does your husband like? Always, whenever you're making question do and does, the verb should be involved in the first form. Right? Does your husband like coffee? Your answer is yes, Yes, he likes. Negative, he doesn't like. Suppose I ask, Usha
Okay.
speaks Marwadi. My question is wrong. Usha speak Marwadi. How do I ask?
No, I
speak
don't speak
Marwadi?
Marwadi.
No, my question is wrong. Can you give the right question for me? This is my question. My question is, Usha speak Marwadi.
Usha speaks Marwadi.
Sorry?
Does Usha speaks
Marwadi.
Does
Marwadi?
Usha no speaks? It's only speak. No speaks.
Okay.
Does
Okay.
Usha speak? Question whenever you
Usha
put do or does, the verb should always be the first form.
Okay.
Does Usha speak Marwadi? So what's your answer?
Speak Marwadi.
Yeah, what's your answer? Yes,
Yes, she speaks Marwadi.
Yes.
she speaks. Negative?
She speaks Marwadi.
No.
Yes. No, she speaks.
Negative?
No, no, no. No, she does not.
Does not. D-O-E-S-N
Yes,
apostrophe.
yes.
Does not.
No.
Uske baad?
Speak Marwadi.
Speak. No speaks. Only positive answer you should say yes, she speaks. Negative answer you have to say no, she doesn't speak. Clear? Any
Yes.
doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
doubt, ma'am.
Simple enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we
Yes,
go to
ma'am.
the WH question. If you have any doubt, can you do
Okay.
one more? Can we do some more homeworks? Can you do something more? Okay, for
Oh, ma'am.
yeah. No saying notes. We'll just talk directly. Anuji, you ask Ushaji. Give broken English. She'll go right English. Example. I give example. Usha cries sometime. Usha cries sometimes. My question is wrong.
What?
Cry. Rona.
Does
Okay, cry.
does Usha cry sometimes? No, she
Does not cry.
She does not cry. Positive answer?
no, she does not cry.
Positive answer?
Cry. No, she does not cry. या फिर yes,
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 ma'am.
she cry.
No. Yes, she
Cries.
cries. If
Yes.
you say wrong, I'll fry.
Oh.
Next question. Surendra give gift for you. Surendra give gift to you.
Does Surendra gives
Gift
Does
for
Surendra?
you?
Does
Gift.
Surendra?
Give.
Does Surendra
Does Surendra
give for you?
give
What's the answer?
Gift for you.
give?
Yes, Surendra
Yes, Surinder
gives.
gives gift for you.
Okay, negative
Gives
answer?
No,
gift?
no, he does not give gift for you.
Yeah, he does not give either.
Gives.
Okay,
Yes.
next one. Now Usha is asking to Anu. Shazel and Saksham fight. Give the right question to the Anu. Shazel and Saksham fight. Excuse me.
Does Sazel and
No.
Saksham
Subject
fight?
near there.
Do.
Subject
We
is two person.
use do. Do
Yeah.
Season and Saksham
Fight.
fight.
Do Shazel and Saksham fight.
Okay.
What's the answer, Anu?
Fight.
Can I have the answer?
No. No, they do not
Okay.
fight.
Positive answer?
Positive answer, yes, they fight.
They fight.
They fight, ma'am. Singular. They fight.
Okay, next one. One more simple question. Okay. Don't tell your husband. Okay. Your husband wash clothes. Your husband wash your clothes.
Do your husband wash clothes? Yes.
No, you're wrong.
Ma'am, do your husband know?
No.
Okay, does your husband?
Surendra only one person. Ramesh only one
Does
person.
your husband?
Does your husband?
Does your
Okay.
husband?
wash clothes.
Answer.
Wash.
What?
Singular.
Answer. Positive.
Positive. Yes. Yes, he
He, yes,
wash clothes.
he,
No. Yes, he.
yes, he does not wash.
Yes, he does not.
He
हाँ भी बोल रहे नहीं भी बोल रहे हैं आप. Yeah. Yes, he.
Oh, sorry.
yes, he wash
He
clothes.
does wash.
Yes, he washes.
Washes.
Anu saying wash. Washes. W-A-S-H-E-S. Yes, he washes clothes. Negative.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, he washes. And in negative, no, he does not wash.
He does not wash.
Does not
Okay.
wash.
Yeah. Next question. To Usha. Gaurav and Ramesh shout at you. Gaurav and Ramesh shout at you. I don't know Hindi translation. You can tell me the question is wrong.
Do Ramesh and Gaurav shout at me?
Very good. Shout at you. What's the answer?
No, they does not. Shouts.
Wrong.
No, sorry, shout.
Do not.
Wrong. They
Do not. Do not.
do not.
Do not.
Okay. Okay.
Obviously, they do not shout. Negative.
They do not shout. Okay. मैम मैंने नेगेटिव ही दिया था पहले.
No, they do not.
It's not wrong. Yes, they shout.
Yes, they shout.
Okay. Now let's
They,
go. With,
okay. Yes, they shout. Okay.
now let's go with the what is that? WH question. Can I go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go? Are we ready to go? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this is the formula. Subject के बाद you have to use V1 or V5. उसके बाद rest of sentence. बीच में please don't get am, is, are. No getting all that. Present tense structure is पहला structure. After that V1 या V5. Then उसके बाद ROS. Sentence में जो कुछ बाकी है. Copied?
Okay, ma'am.
Let me go with the WH question. आप संडेज कहाँ जाते हैं? आप संडेज कहाँ जाते हैं? Very simple question. What did you? Okay, are you ready for questions now? What did you learn in today's
Yes,
class? Only English, please.
Oh my God.
That's okay.
Ma'am, please don't record.
What did you learn in today's class? Start making sentence. Come on.
I learned today present tense.
Okay.
So
what
simple
is
present tense.
the present tense, Anuji?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by present tense?
Present tense means it means daily routine activities, universal truths, and in this sentence we use a rule subject plus V1 and plus object, rest of the object.
Okay.
And if the sentence is in singular, then we like he, she, it, then we use verb in plural. And if the sentence in plural, then we use the verb is singular.
Okay. In this chapter, what is a helping verb we used? In
Helping verb
yeah.
is
Helping with
Last
I,
yeah.
we,
The last
he.
question we used two words. What is that?
What is asked?
We asked
Uh,
two verbs, two helping verbs for framing questions.
helping verbs is do, does.
Very good. So to whom do we use do and do not, and whom do we use does and does not?
Uh,
use
do for singular
Okay.
and does for single plural, and does not is the negative answer. For use negative answer.
For singular doesn't for noun.
we use does in singular and do in plural.
Do in plural. Okay. Can I have an example?
Okay.
Usha, you can ask Anuji. Anuji will ask, answer the question. Quickly, fast, fast.
Okay.
Snap a finger. Yeah.
Like question is,
Can I do a question to Anu?
she goes to the market. She goes to the market daily.
Okay. Can I have the question for this?
Hi, ma'am.
Uh,
She goes to the
yes.
market daily. Does she go to the market daily?
Does she go? Right?
Go
Using
to the market daily?
the verb should be in the V1.
Does
Does she go to market? Okay. Next one.
Yes, yes, she
Uh,
goes to the market. No, she does not go to the market.
Okay. Can I have question for do and don't usage? Ushaji from you.
Okay. I don't remember, ma'am. It's your question. What do you cook special on Sunday?
It's my question.
It's your question. Yes, yes.
Not
It's
supposed to
your
put it.
question. What Sejal
That's my question.
cook on Sunday?
Oh, copycat.
Yes, that's your question. I just put yes.
This is there. Okay. Okay.
uh-huh. And nahi aa raha, ma'am.
That is the reason.
I do practice.
It doesn't.
I need practice.
No, you just talk and practice. You know the concept. You understood the concept. Just implement it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Another question, ma'am, when we use which colors do you like?
Which
And
you like the
who
combination of you is very easy. When you put you, it's very easy. It's always do. Yeah. But I would love to have example using by subject as we, they, I. That will be much better. Yes.
and yes, ma'am.
Ushaji, come on. I on the Usha. I think Anuji, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can. Please update Ushaji because today she's not well.
Yes,
When you
ma'am.
start, see,
Sure.
when you start teaching what you learn, that's a quick way of learning. Do whatever you learn, share it. Today I learned this. Okay, then start teaching Sushma ji. Now Usha has some problem. Anuji can teach. Usha can teach Anu. No problem. But the problem is open your
Yes,
mouth. You never open your mouth. See now Usha knows so many things, but she's confused.
Yes, I'm confused. I need practice, ma'am. Seriously.
Okay, just talk. Okay, now you tell me what do you do from morning till evening? From morning till evening, how do you spend?
I do so many work. Wake up in the morning, took tablet,
Okay.
and
Took is
mopping, washing,
No,
cooking.
tablet is past tense. I take tablets.
I take tablet. Okay. I take tablet, then make tea,
Okay.
and milk as well. And okay. And then I do mopping
Okay.
and
You can say
um,
I do my domestic chores.
ah,
More easier. It
okay.
includes cleaning,
I do.
mopping,
Okay.
everything. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Can you please
Okay. 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 Instead, in
about Gaurav? What does Gaurav do? Anuji,
Gaurav,
you tell about
Gaurav does his routine work.
put together. Yeah, please tell me.
It's me, ma'am.
Yeah, your chance. She'll be preparing Anu and Sakshi.
Okay. Okay. Gaurav does do his routine work, wake up and he did some exercises.
No, he did
Exercise.
not. He did his
And-
masters.
Okay. Uh, he do exercise.
He
Okay.
does.
Or he does exercise. Okay. He does. Okay. He does exercise and नहीं हो रहा मैम.
You keep
Help
telling
me.
nahi ho raha hai. But it's very difficult. You should start doing. Okay, I'll go with Anuji. What about Sejal and Saksham? How do they do the work, or how do they spend their time at home?
Firstly, ma'am, Saksham wakes up at 7 o'clock with his tuition, and after that, after the bathing, he takes class
Okay.
at 9 o'clock. Online classes at 9 o'clock. And ma'am, Sejal wakes up at 11 o'clock, and then she does her classes on the laptop, and I wake up at 6 o'clock. After bathing, I prepare breakfast for my husband and my kids.
Okay. One simple question. Simple question.
Yes, ma'am.
What does your husband do when he gets angry?
Please, ma'am, repeat the question.
What does your husband do when he gets angry?
What does my husband do when he gets
He shouts.
He
Yes.
shouts. Anuji,
He
He
shouts.
shouts?
what do you do when you get angry?
What?
Nothing,
Sorry, ma'am.
ma'am.
What
I'm-
do you do
I'm
when you
doing
get
nothing,
angry?
ma'am.
Uh,
Doing nothing
I don't-
because, ma'am, my husband is
no.
angry. So my anger is, ma'am, क्या कहते हैं कि हमारा गुस्सा शांत हो जाता है, down.
Suppressed. Okay. What about Usha ji?
No. मैम मैं उनसे ज्यादा चिल्लाती हूँ.
In Hindi, no. Only English.
I do
I shout.
shout.
More than,
I shouts more than him.
not shouts. I
More
shout.
than him.
Him.
I shout more than him.
I get angry. I eat nicely. When I get angry,
And then I gone. No. Then I gone silent mode.
oh,
I never speak him.
I never speak to him. Okay.
Okay, I never speak to him. 1 to 3 months.
Oh my God, tremendous. So when
But
I
ma'am, I always speak. I always speaks
speak,
with my husband.
I
But ma'am, my husband does not speak with me. 15 days, 1 month at. But ma'am, I continue speaking.
how sweet. Anuj.
That's good. That's good, my dear. That's good.
You also follow
He's
this.
like me. Bhaiya likes. Bhaiya likes me.
Baya is like me. You say Baya likes me, that's all. Anuj will come for fighting.
Okay. Bhaiya is like me.
Yeah, it's very
He
common.
is like me.
I think Anu is also different. Usually, husband speaks first.
Yeah.
Wife don't speak.
No, ma'am, I always
हाँ.
prefer because ma'am, this is my weakness या फिर my क्या
No, it's not weakness.
yes ma'am.
This is not
But ma'am,
weakness.
Partner, life partner. So what is it? Anyone should let go. Take
Life weakness.
full person.
No, मैम एक्चुअली मुझे गुस्सा
No,
पहले तो आता नहीं है और जब आता है okay
No, he,
when I get angry
yeah, when I get
okay when I get angry उसको क्या कहते हैं मैम इंग्लिश में साल में एक बार आता है once in a year
once in a blue moon.
हाँ okay
Kabhi.
only once in a year yes Rare. Rare or often? What you say?
Rare. Seldom. Means kabhi kabhi.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, once only.
Great.
I
Okay.
get
So this
angry.
is how you
I
understand.
never speak.
Today's chapter, have you all understood?
Okay.
Do you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What
This is
is a
how,
Yes.
homework?
yeah, every day we start speaking. See, we have 1 hour, dedicated hours. 1 hour if you start speaking in English
Okay.
every day. See, we have 1 month exactly. Today we finish present tense, do, does,
Yes, ma'am.
everything. It's very easy. Understand the concept. Tomorrow before coming to class, please teach Shushma ji.